Hey guys, what is good and what's popping? It's your girl Dimes here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I really didn't want to do anything at all today, but I feel like my lazy spirit really took over me in 2021 and I refused to let it do it again in 2022. So I said, Diamond, you're gonna make a video today and I'm gonna create some content today. I wanted to try and take you guys behind the scenes of it. Many of my friends are like working, so I don't know if I'll get like the best BTS, but I will absolutely try. So if you didn't know, I'm actually a partner with Coach, the Coach, and it was like such a happy day for me. I was so excited that they chose me to be a part of the Coach Collective. So I wanted to kind of show you the outfit that I'm thinking about. This is my little mini clothing rack here, and this is the outfit that I'm kind of thinking about for Coach. This is their Pillow Tabby Coach bag. It's so mini, it's so cute, like I just love it, and it's actually like quite spacious, I would say. And I love all of Coach's bags. They're just such incredible quality, and I was thinking for like the look to go with something that's kind of boss baby-ish like that. I think this leather on leather combo could be kind of iconic. I still don't really know the location. The location for me sometimes can be hard when I've literally ostracized every nook and cranny of my small town, but I'm gonna keep trying. So I will be right back. I'm gonna go get my package and we can do a little brand unboxing. See if I can make this work. That looks kind of good. So I might be a little cut off here because my boxes are kind of in the way, but let's just show a few. So you guys already seen the Pillow Tabby by Coach. Something else to share is that I am a partner with Free People, and I just feel like that process was so dope. Actually, hold on, let me raise you a bit. Okay, that process was super dope because my name was in a freaking deliberation room. I was just like, oh my gosh, like Free People is literally having a meeting about if I'm gonna be a part of the ambassadorship or not, and I'm just like, oh my gosh. So when I got word that I had been chosen and selected to be one of the Free People ambassadors, I did a happy dance and I darn near cried. So but I say that to say I am doing some work with Free People, like aside from like the content I create for them already, and it's a lot of beauty products this time. We're doing like a little beauty campaign for some products that will be on their blog, their website, their page and stuff like that. And I selected some items that I need to go through, but I like really wanted this set to kind of help with the makeup, and all of the products are inside. But I just wanted to kind of show you kind of like what they came in. I got some things from Ray Wellness that I was excited for. They are actually really cool wellness brand. I really love their vitamins, and I was recommended to try their probiotic vitamins, and also I wanted to try their vegan collagen boost. I thought those were pretty cool, so I am getting into the swing of trying those. I did get these hats from a brand called Olive and Peak. I think I'm saying that correctly. And this blue hat is gonna be nasty. And I really thought this hat was super cute too. And then this like kind of houndstooth pattern beret. Felt like it was gonna be a moment. So I'm excited to kind of get to styling these to see how they will be. So I don't know what's inside of this one yet. I don't know if it's a part of something I know or something I don't know, so we're actually about to find out together. So it looks like it is from Way. Way is a really bomb hair care brand. I actually worked on a few projects with them that was awesome. Their packaging is always undefeated, and I'm super excited. Is this a body cream? They have a body cleanser and a new cream, body cream as well. And I mean, like, look at the freaking details. Like, how can I want to throw this away? Love when Way surprises me with packages. This is beautiful. I love it. So I just got my life, okay, by trying on all of like my new Free People products. Also, I'm looking at my laptop, by the way. I am emailing right now, like I said, just kind of tidying up the rest of the things that I need to finish for the day before I get started with some, hopefully some TikTok videos today as well, before I go shoot my Coach campaign. Like, guys, you don't understand. I am still sleepy. Like, maybe I do need a tap of coffee, but I don't really want it. But it's like, darn, like, I don't want to be dependent on coffee, but like, I'm still sleepy. And I just, like I said, I am not going to allow like sleepiness or laziness to like consume more of the time I could have spent just getting down to it, creating what I want to create, get the creations done, get the content done. Like, I just have to shake myself, and I'm sleepy while I'm talking right now, but I'm gonna keep talking and I'm going to keep typing, and I'm going to put on my outfit, and I'm gonna figure out where I'm going, and I'm gonna get these Coach pictures done. And that's just on period, and that is on before the sun sets. Yes, I'm ashamed. I am. It's been a day later from yesterday, and I really was thinking about deleting that footage and just like starting clear, but I really want you to see the true real deal behind the scenes of my life. Oh, also new wig, because the other one wasn't working yesterday. We've changed. After I recorded that, I genuinely was trying, but I could not fight how sleepy I still was, and I could not just pull it together. And those are just some of those days where you like really are fighting to make it happen, but it just sometimes may not. And I'm okay. I'm okay. Today I woke up and I was like, I'm ready, and I'm back. And I'm better. So as you can see, like I said, I changed my hair to more of a curly feel because this wig tends to do better. I have to push it down a bit because sometimes she likes to pop up and pop off, and I'm just like, what did I even do to you for you to embarrass me? But I had some coffee this morning. Maybe I am dependent. It was fantastic, and I filmed some things from Free People. I'm looking around me per usual because it's a mess, kind of. I have all of my things like laid out by my window, but I can show you some of the clips like I kind of did on my phone. And also my storage today tried to sabotage me. Here's some of my footage. I had to do some things for like an eye serum, but this is like the serum right here, and I kind of just did some footage of me putting it underneath my eyes. This one was RMS Beauty, and I kind of just showed myself getting tight, and like another one with xoxo Beauty, and just like getting these clips in, sweetie. I'm really proud of myself though, guys. I am really proud because though I kind of just needed to give myself a day yesterday because it really do be being like that, I'm okay with that. So I also kind of did a little TikTok video where I filmed like a get ready with me. I've been kind of seeing like a lot of these lately, kind of like getting ready, and I kind of wanted to just like make an outfit for TikTok, and I wanted to make an outfit for Instagram Reels because I'm really trying. I signed up for like the bonus program on Instagram, and I'm trying to get it, baby. Yeah, that's what I've done thus far today. It is raining out, and looking out the window, it is raining, so I don't really know about Miss Coachiana when that's gonna get shot, but probably this weekend. I need to check the weather app to kind of see what the weather is hitting on, but that's pretty much a lot of the content that I shot today. I'm thinking about like making some food finally. It is 3:32 and I still haven't eaten. So I still haven't found food. And I feel like that's just because I'm so focused on things right now that I can't even, I don't know, like my mind doesn't allow me to focus on food. You know, right now it is 4:16. I am finishing up some emails. I got some pretty cool offers today that I'm kind of looking through. I also this morning made my Cotton On selections. I am a partner with Cotton On, and also if you watched my like holiday vlog a few weeks back now, I basically chatted about like sponsored posts that I had to get done before I left, and that was with Dr. Martens, and I got that approved today. Now that I have that approved and stuff, I can go ahead and plan when I want to post it. Currently looking at my laptop again, and I'm just like going through things that I need to do. I'm about to start planning doing this upload with my phone here of all the content I shot today. It is due tomorrow, but sometimes I like to be early and just send it on, you know? So I'm gonna get these together because I shot it in 4K 60, which is like a really high setting on the phone. If I can show you. So if you go to video and then up here on these panels, I don't know if you can see it, these panels, you can change that, and you can change like how like strong or high quality your video will be, and it will actually make it at a really high video quality. So when you shoot it at the like highest video quality, it can take really long. But I think I'm tapped out for this vloggy vlog. Thank you for watching the mediocre behind the scenes of my life, and if you haven't subscribed, you know, definitely join the family. We would be more than happy to have you here. And if you're the OGs returning, thank you once again for watching and following along, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.